Imagine this. You're at the breakfast table, and just as you're about to take that first bite, the sizzling sound of crispy bacon dances in the air. The aroma? Irresistible. The taste? Smoky, salty, slightly sweet, absolutely divine. But have you ever wondered what goes into creating that perfect strip of bacon? Welcome to Process Revealed, where we uncover the secrets behind your favorite foods. Today, we're diving deep into the mouth-watering journey of bacon, from farm to frying pan. Whether you're a die-hard fan of American-style bacon or have a soft spot for Italian pancetta, you're in for a treat. So buckle up and get ready, because once you know how bacon is made, you'll never look at your breakfast the same way again. Bacon around the world, more than just a breakfast favorite. Bacon isn't just an American obsession, it's a global delight. Each country has its own twist on this beloved food. United States, classic pork belly bacon, cured, smoked, and thinly sliced for that iconic crunch. Canada, what they call Canadian bacon is actually lean pork loin, closer to ham than bacon. United Kingdom, back bacon, made from pork loin and belly, offers a meatier bite with a bit of fat. Italy, pancetta, dry-cured, unsmoked, and rich in flavor, is a staple in pastas and stews. China, lapyak, air-dried and soy-cured, brings bold flavor to stir-fries and rice dishes. What's your favorite kind of bacon? Let us know in the comments. Crispy American, rich pancetta, or something else entirely? Step 1. It all begins on the farm. The journey starts with carefully raised pigs on farms dedicated to high-quality meat production. Most bacon comes from pork belly, a fatty, flavorful cut ideal for bacon's signature texture. Farmers choose breeds like Duroc, Berkshire, and Yorkshire, known for their marbling and tenderness. These pigs are fed balanced diets of grains, proteins, and nutrients to ensure strong, healthy growth. Modern farms prioritize animal welfare and sustainability, using climate-controlled barns or open pasture systems. Many also follow strict ethical guidelines, ensuring clean environments, human handling, and eco-friendly practices like waste-to-energy conversion and precision feeding. Step 2. Processing begins from pig to pork belly. At around 6 months of age, once the pigs reach about to 50 pounds, they are transported to certified processing facilities. Here, they undergo thorough health and safety inspections before human processing begins. The pig is broken down into primal cuts, and our star of the show, the pork belly, is carefully trimmed and prepped. This thick, marbled slab holds the perfect ratio of fat to meat, which will eventually become those crisp, flavorful bacon strips. Step 3. Curing, the flavor maker. Curing is what transforms plain pork belly into flavorful bacon. It preserves the meat and infuses it with that iconic salty sweet taste. There are two main methods. Wet curing, modern method, the pork belly is soaked or injected with a brine made of salt, sugar, water, and spices. This method is quick and produces the bacon most commonly found in stores. Dry curing, artisan style instead of a liquid, the pork belly is rubbed with a dry mix of salt, sugar, and seasonings like black pepper or garlic. It's then aged for days or even weeks, creating a more concentrated flavor, perfect for gourmet styles like pancetta or British bacon. Step 4. Smoking, adding the magic touch. After curing, it's time to smoke the bacon, a step that brings out that rich, deep flavor while also preserving the meat. Hot smoking, commercial bacon is smoked in chambers at 120-160 degree F. This cooks the meat while infusing it with flavor. It's fast, efficient, and widely used for store-bought bacon. Cold smoking, traditional here, the bacon is exposed to smoke at temperatures below 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a slow process, sometimes lasting weeks. The result? An intense, smoky aroma. But it remains uncooked and must be cooked before eating. And let's not forget the wood. The type of wood used in smoking changes everything. Hickory is bold and classic. Applewood is soft and slightly sweet. Cherry is fruity with a rich hue. Mesquite is strong and earthy. Maple is gentle and sweet. Step 5. Slicing and packaging, ready for your plate. Once smoking is complete, the bacon is cooled and sliced using precision machines. Whether you like paper-thin cuts or thick, hearty strips, it's all done to exact specifications. Then comes vacuum sealing, which keeps the bacon fresh for transport. Some varieties are even pre-cooked or seasoned for added convenience. Finally, the bacon is shipped in refrigerated trucks to your local store, restaurant, or straight to your kitchen. And there you have it, the entire process. Bacon may be simple on your plate, but behind the scenes? If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at how bacon is made, hit that like button, subscribe process revealed, and turn on notifications.